My order of Prism Plus Symphony 5.1.2 soundbar has finally arrived. Let's unbox it. .2 meter long, looks nice with my 49-inch smart TV. One thing I like about the soundbar is the existence of multiple connection possibilities. The existence of 3 HDMI ports comes in very handy for multiple connection. Now I can have my DVD player and game console all plug onto the same speaker and play through the same speaker. Accessories included are one HDMI cable, a pair of soundbar mounting brackets, remote control and 3.5mm AUX cable. The subwoofer is 42 centimeters tall. The soundbar weighs almost as heavy as the subwoofer, which is about 5 kilograms. Together, the whole package weighs 9.7 kilograms. It is very easy to pair the subwoofer with the soundbar. Once the soundbar is powered on, I got the subwoofer connected instantly upon pressing the pairing button at the back of the subwoofer. I connected my TV eARC to the soundbar eARC. The use of eARC enables the soundbar to be paired with my LG TV remote control. All I need to do is go to the TV settings to do some minor adjustment. First is the sound setting. Switch the sound output to HDMI ARC. Next, go to the general setting to turn on the HDMI CEC. For other TV brand, all these adjusting should be all in the general setting. Now whenever I switch on my TV, the soundbar will be automatically turned on too. That saves you the troublesome of using 2 different remote control. So much about the settings, let's talk about the sound quality. Is it good? Is it worth the money paid for? The Prism Plus Symphony has a total of 11 speakers. According to its official advertisement, it's supposed to give an immersive soundscapes. Now, the purpose of me getting the soundbar is not just to amplify the sound from the movie. I want to hear more on the tidy details of the sound. The sound from the speakers must be very crisp. If I could see the sound, that would be even better. Yes, I want to see the sound. With that criteria in mind, I put the Prism Plus Symphony to test with the movie 2012. Great, I could hear the rumbling noise of the earthquake. Next I played the movie Spectral. I focused my attention on the sound of flying bullet. The surround sound speakers came into action. I could hear the sound of the bullet flying through.
Take the shot.
Still I have not actually tested the subwoofer. I next played the movie White House Down. I was stunned when the whoop-whoop noise produced by the helicopter propeller was so clearly audible. I could even feel its impact. It feels like I could see the sound. So much so that I even played it few times more to enjoy the sound effect. I must say I am truly impressed by the sound quality this soundbar could produce. It could produce clear TV dialogue, that kind of earth-shattering bass I was looking for. I like the big bang loud sound, but at the volume of level 11 I could already feel I was encircled by the loud sound. To compare, my family members are used to level 7 or 8. Mind you, the volume could be increased to level 30. Going further would be a disturbance to my neighbor. To be more exact, the speakers is placed in a 600 square meter huge living room, or the living room of a 5-room HDB flat, which is usually large enough for the sound to be spread out, yet I feel the sound produced is still very concentrated. I want to hear more on the tiny details of the sound. Though I am satisfied with the performance of the surround sound speakers, I demand much more. In my favorite movie Independence Day, upon being shot I was hoping to hear the sound of a flying Coke can, and the sound of the Coke can jumping few times on the ground. I was a bit disappointed as the surround speakers could not push out the fine details. But then again, to be fair, I have tested that on many speakers, not many could perform that. I guess I will need much more cash. I truly love this segment of the movie. The sound of the falling of the Coke can is so realistic. It's a joy to hear. Do take note that to enjoy 5.1.2 channel sound effect, the audio source of the movie must be equipped with 5.1 audio. I like that the bass and surround sound level is adjustable from the remote control. In all the sound test here, I put it to the maximum. That's the purpose of me getting this 5.1 soundbar. I am a movie fan, and I truly enjoy being able to hear as much sound effects as I could from the movie. I could not comprehend how someone could enjoy watching movie from DVD or Netflix or Disney Plus or whatever media without a good soundbar. The sound effect that came out from the TV is just too flat and boring. Is it worth buying Prism plus Symphony soundbar? I got it to enjoy that kind of cinematic sound experience. I already got what I wanted. The Prism plus Soundbar Symphony fares so much better in cinematic sound experience than in music and songs. Some vocal details were not as crisp as I wanted. The remote control also allows you to adjust the different sound setting or equalizer effect which you may prefer. If you feel distracted by the display window, the brightness could also be adjusted through the dimmer mode. I was unable to test the Dolby Atmos sound effect, as my TV do not support Dolby Atmosphere. After throwing away an expensive but my high-performance speakers of 10 years, which broke down recently, I finally made a decision to get a soundbar, which to me is also space-saving and neat visually. I got what I was looking for, and already got what I wanted. I am happy with it, as I am a movie fan. Lastly, sound are very subjective. Good sound to my ears might be noise to another. Above reviews are just my personal opinions. Do seek professional help from audio expert if you intend to get a soundbar. Thank you for watching.